Yeah, buddy. That tropical rain is here. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, I love these days. I need to close that front door, yo. Woo. I almost ate shit. Oh my God. I love the traffic. Oh my God. All right, I gotta close this door. Ooh, that's a wet mess. You gotta clean that so I don't slip and die. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah, baby. Rain therapy for the masses. For the chickens, for the birds, for the iguanas. Rain is life. Rain is life. Water is life. I'm feeling good.